OTHM Level 7 Diploma in Human Resource Management. The objective of the Level 7 Diploma in Human Resource Management qualification is to provide learners with the skills and understanding in human resource management that align with good strategic decision-making to maintain organizations' competitive advantage. Learners acquire knowledge through an integrated approach of theory in human resource management and practice using real-time activities. For entry onto the Level 7 Diploma in Human Resource Management qualification, learners must possess an honours degree in related subject or UK Level 6 diploma or an equivalent overseas qualification. Mature learners with management experience. Learners must be 21 years old or older at the beginning of the course. If a learner is not from a majority English-speaking country, must provide evidence of English language competency. The Level 7 diplomas on the regulated qualifications framework are at the same level as master's degrees. For detailed information, WhatsApp us on 0092331599937, 0092321505675.